I really think that's the place where we could begin in this world to make some real changes, is not by telling everybody how great they are, but those who are greater should go down to the lowest position first. So how is the poorest person, the most disenfranchised person, really going to believe that they are noble unless the noble and the rich can come down and saddle up right next to them in the darkest, most difficult things that they're involved in?
And I jumped on my computer and I started just basically researching everything that I was led to believe throughout all my years of education, both elementary school all the way up through getting my degree in college, was just all a pack of lies.
Just stop the bomb.
Stop the bomb. Yeah.
That has to do with anticholinergic syndrome, which is poisoning by medication. One medication gave me a stroke. Another medication almost killed me a second time. So I've gone holistic. I'm healthier and happier. And we didn't get to all these millennia because we had doctors and pharmaceutical corporations.
With the scalar wave technology that's embedded in this device, it helps erase cellular memory. And if people understand that, that's huge.
The family that you're referring to is inundated with fear and survival from the contraction of money, the television in all different ways, the vibration of the television and the frequencies coming through the programming, as well as the actual information that is being portrayed.
I asked myself, why is it that we don't have peace right now? And the conclusion I came to was the fact that everything about the world we are in right now depends upon a state of peacelessness. In other words, all the jobs, all the businesses, all the professions that are currently serving in the world claiming to want peace really do not want peace because their business would no longer be viable. So everything loses its purpose in that sense. So the question begins to rise up, well, are you doing your work for the business of providing for an income or a retirement pension? Or are you doing your work with the intention of not having to do it at some point in the future?
It's time for us right now as individuals to embrace the power that we have within. And within each moment we have a choice. Are we going to continue to act under the idea that we're controlled by these systems? Or are we going to make the choice to break the conditioning, to break the mold, and to wake up to the true power that we have within ourselves? So I ask you, what do you want to feel? Whatever it is, go that way without limit. We are masters of our existence. Thus far, we have been masters of limitation. It's time to be a snake and shed that skin.
And it's simple. It's got to be lawful. It's got to be ethical. It's got to be moral. And if you want to put it in really simple words, it's got to be the right thing. The thing you feel in your heart that you know it's right. And you know when it's wrong.
There is nobody who can come from outside and tell you that your God is better than your neighbor's God. No one can do that. The religions that were brought in are also alien religions. These are not religions we've created. We are made to follow those religions. Not necessarily all religions, religious teachings are bad. I'm talking about the concept behind creating a God.
This is what you need to find. First prize is a black female. Second prize is a black male. Third prize is a female Indian. Fourth prize is a male Indian. Fifth prize is a colored female. I mean, it was just, shocking.
I told her whole life, go to school, work hard, you'll get somewhere, you'll do fine. And she discovered the corruption in that world. She became a whistleblower and she was censored.
The people poured their hearts out on paper and told the world how they wanted to live, how they wanted to fix the problems that we had, and how they wanted to change.
I would love to see a beautiful, clean world, a place where people have really care about the environment.